This is the deliberate gait of a maturnomical male Maasai giraffe, every motion engineered for balance and efficiency in the savanna. The African sun is climbing, painting the savanna in hues of amber and gold. But something else is moving across the massive flank. Something small, agile, and impossibly confident. A flash of red against the beast's tawny coat. It scuttles up the towering neck, a tiny hitchhiker on a living mountain. It pauses at the base of a horn, tilting its head, and then proceeds to climb directly into the mammal's ear. This is not a casual perch, nor an act of aggression. This is the beginning of a relationship so ancient, so vital, that the very rhythm of the savanna depends on it. It is a puzzle in plain sight. Why does the giant tolerate the dwarf? And why does the dwarf cling so tightly to the giant? For the answer, we must look closer, into a world where the smallest actions echo with a purpose that sustains the largest creatures alive. This is the realm of the oxpecker. With their sharp, scissor-like bills and strong, clutching feet, these are birds designed for a life on the move, on the backs of titans. Two species exist in a delicate balance across the African continent: the red-billed oxpecker and its slightly larger cousin, the yellow-billed oxpecker. They are the only birds in the world that spend the majority of their lives clinging to other animals. They are not merely visitors to these living landscapes. They are inhabitants. Their world is one of hide and hair, of crevices and folds, a territory that breathes and walks and occasionally shakes. And as the day warms, the stage is set for a story of survival. A story where the fate of Africa's largest animals is intricately tied to the tiny birds that ride upon their backs. The air is thick with the drone of flies, a persistent hum that plagues the buffalo as it stands knee-deep in a mud wallow. The beast is a fortress of muscle and bone, yet it is under constant siege. Ticks, the silent vampires of the savanna, lurk in the folds of its skin, drinking its blood and carrying diseases that can bring down even the mightiest bull. The buffalo's own defenses, its thick hide, its powerful tail, its rolling wallow, are only partially effective. For the pests that hide in the deep recesses of the ears, the soft tissue of the nostrils, and the sensitive areas of the groin, the buffalo is virtually helpless. But then, a flash of brown and red,